Is that water?
Lava.
Okay, so we just got here. I have some stairs to finish up there, but I think I'm just gonna kind of do something easy right now because, I don't know, it's been a long drive and I'm just kind of trying to get something done. So I'm gonna do this area down here. I'm out of flooring glue, so I'm just gonna use some subfloor glue that I have. I just got this all shot backed out. I'm going to throw some glue down, floor it, maybe throw some trim on, and then I got some little trim to do here. And I gotta trim these out. And so I'm just gonna kind of work on whatever until I'm feeling like doing those stairs. She finally got out of bed and started working.
Yeah,
And it's 4 o'clock. Good job sweeping the whole floor.
Beauty.
I learned that from June. Remember?
Do you need anything? Can you get it?
Are you the butler? Okay, I got the flooring done underneath the stairs and now I'm gonna trim it out.
Cool. Do you want like a cookie or something? I'm just kidding. Thank you for doing that.
Okay, so Anna's gonna mop kinda, or like wipe the floors down.
I'm gonna get my hands and knees.
We got a bunch of like glue, little bit of glue with dirt on top. We scrubbed it already like 5-10 times as we went, but there's still little pieces of glue.
Okay, this is gonna take all night. One board at a time, because Jordan has glue everywhere. What?
I shot about myself and I can cock it. So I shot the tree
Nice.
3 times. Actually a lot. Do you want to see me?
Sure.
It's already cocked.
We're gonna shoot from up here.
I'll hit that tree.
Okay.
See?
Nice. Better not shoot it that way anymore. Look, there's a house there.
I'll aim for the window, then I can sneak on the roof and say night-night.
Oh my god. Okay, yeah, aim for that tree. The baby bird could not fly. He could not fly, but he could walk. Now I will go and find my mother, he said. Oh. He did not know what his mother looked like.
Right here, like this. And now click the buttons, now drag it towards you. Keep going. Okay, thank you. Okay,
There's one right here and here.
thank you. Okay,
Are we done?
yeah. Do you want to be done?
No. You want more? Oh my God. He's killing me. I've done this 5 times already. So, my mom's almost done with the flooring, and Dad's walking, and Hank, he's driving a piggy ride by Hank, and I'm just videoing. And then we're gonna go to the beach for dinner. It's gonna be super exciting.
Look at the sun.
Oh yeah.
What the hell?
Oh my gosh, look at him. He's chasing the fish. Sure, why not? Yeah, we got some. Oh, nope, chickened out. Okay, go.
Okay.
Oh, honey, are you okay? And he throws his sticky. He's like, screw my gun, I got this sweet. New gun.
You just got your gun and then threw it.
He's trying to run from you.
Hey, that hurt.
You gonna jump? Just like brother?
Mom won't like it.
Do it.
Jump to me.
Oh, you guys.
I'm gonna get you.
Oh, get him in here.
Oh crap.
You're big and strong, but we'll protect you
We'll
anyway.
protect you. We got you. Stay back. Stay away from our baby.
Aw, get it.